let's see, passwords shown. We're off to a good start. We're off to a good start. Let me see, what else is there? Gotta go to Twitter, right? Man, it's crazy how much better Chrome is than Safari. You know, I never thought I'd say it. It's way faster, but it takes more resources. You know, that's the thing. What am I doing? What is this? What the frick is this? Oh, look at that photo. That's terrible. I love that though. Air bomb. Andrew, what's up? What's up? What is it? Let me guess. Hold on. Europe time right now. I'm negative. What am I? -6 daylight savings, right? We are so back to streaming. But it's gonna be like a really quick one. Quick stream. 30 minutes. In and out. Let's go. What was that, like Rick and Morty? I've watched like one episode of Rick and Morty. Quick adventure. There we go. Grateful for every stream. We're just here to have a good time. That's it. You know, that's it. Actually, how do I get this without, like, can I just do this instead? Save image, copy image? No. Yeah, copy, right? Let's try it. Paste? Perfect. Yeah, we're just gonna have a good time, you know? I just want to talk about tech stuff. Cause I don't, there's no one in my life, around me that cares about this stuff. So, and I don't know. I don't really care about the AI stuff, but yeah. Let me see. All right. Okay, so, no pressure. Yeah, I'll probably stream like, I still gotta do YouTube. I see all these old programmers like me switching to content creation. That's what they call influencing now, I guess. And I'm just like, shoot, man. Like, yeah, I know. It's like, people are confused. They're like, what do you do on the computer all day? It's like, besides make money. I'm like, well, I don't know. I don't know. The only thing you care about is money. All right, but Merlinder, I want to talk about this. I want to talk about this Llama 3. And the only reason the Llama 3 is cool is because it's cool that it's open-ish, and you can run it locally on, like, if you have like a 4090 or something. And it's the first like open kind of model that beats anything, any GPT-4, right? At anything. So English is the only thing, but yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's that. Look, I don't know what else to do. Like, it's on Replicate. I tried it. I don't know. I'm trying to do projects with Replicate, I guess, because Levels.io is making money, and like, it's been years, and I'm finally like, oh, maybe I should just do this, you know? Replicate Llama 3. Can we do that? Yeah, is it? No, it's like 70B. Right? Not the 80, not the 8. There we go. Can we? Yeah, is that, we could do it, right? No, there was like a link yesterday on Twitter. Dang it. Yeah. Let me see. It was like a link yesterday. Shoot, man, what was it? I don't even know. But anyway, look, I gotta try to do this, I guess. I don't know. I'm like not super interested in it, but whatever. Yeah. All right, I'm getting distracted. But yeah, this is cool. I have no, I still have no clue. Like, I get it's like vectors, and like I've really been like studying up on it and stuff, but I still don't really. At the end of the day, I only know the keywords: softmax, weights, embeddings. I only know. Like, I could be the CEO of an AI company, but I couldn't like start one, right? Like, I could be the hired CEO, but I couldn't start one because I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, it sounds really good on a press release or something, you know. Also, I'm in the middle. Astro, what's up? I'm in the middle of this stream. Am I in the middle? No, I'm like off. Wait. This direction. There we go. Oh, I also want to show you what I'm working on. But I want to talk about that freaking robot. That freaking Boston Dynamics robot. Hang on, can we? One more? Oh, no, I just ruined it. Oh, there we go. That's close. Tim T, what's up? Yeah, wait, Rust, yes. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit. Because, like, okay, so my thing about my reasonable thing about, like, why I could never finish a project. Like, here, I'll show you this one, right? So, like, I'm not gonna like spend too much time on this code.
Okay, it's happening.
Oh,
everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
What in the world? 2 raids in a row? Dylan, you gotta raid somebody else. Like, this stream isn't that exciting. It's like,
hello,
it's
Peter.
early for me.
What's happening?
Like, I only had like a sip of my coffee. Yeah, it's going, you know. I mean, we're listening to some funk, which is good. But yeah. Pity raid. Dude, I just got mogged. Is that a word? Can I say that? Am I too old for that? This is the most exciting stream. Yeah, how is that? How does that ever go away? That's like a massive bug. That's Twitch. I swear, Twitch is like the worst. Let me check the chat over here.
Hello, Peter.
Oh, I forgot about YouTube.
What's happening?
Let's check the YouTube chat. I had to, I don't know about you guys, but I had to unsubscribe from Prime because his stuff. Oh, there we go. Okay. Can we just pause? Pop out. All his videos started flooding everything. Like, it was only his face. And I couldn't see anything else. So I was just like, I gotta get rid of this.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Metaprogramming. It's always a good day for Helix jokes. Not sure YouTube exists. Oh, with my Pied Piper, my PP macro. Yeah, the PP macro. That's just how easy it is to, since we're talking about mogging, right? That's just how easy it is to mog Gleam, you know? All right. I mean, I guess. No React comp? I don't know. Is there some FOMO? Should we talk about React? I don't really, personally, I'm not really into React. But thank you for the follows. I am Steve-O and KMelv95. I appreciate it. Oh, and Toncheck _ I'm just kidding. I'm not going to say _. Yeah. Claw 76. Also appreciate it.
Hello, Peter.
Make feature flag in your PP crate. We're gonna rewrite Rust in Rust, right? Talk about Dioxys or Leptos? Yeah, we could. I mean, I haven't talked about Dioxys. Oh, this freaking restream thing does not show me the chat. I wish it would. Oh no, yeah, it's totally. Oh, there we go. Okay. Rewriting Weewa. Jagged. Welcome. I'm only into React because React Native pays some of my bills. Scotty does know. Scotty doesn't know. But Scotty that does know, yeah, that's the same thing. Rails, like, I just got stuck, you know? It's hard to unstuck yourself after you've been doing something for like a decade. But yeah, we could talk about Dioxys. But did you guys see that robot thing though? Did you guys see that? You guys saw that, right? That Boston Dynamics robot thing, right? You guys saw that, right? I mean, it's like 30 seconds, right? Let's go to the actual. Can we go to the actual Boston Dynamics? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's this. Like, I could honestly, I could just play this. Like, the PR, is there a PR department? I don't think there is, because otherwise they would have never released this. Like, I think the goal was to, like, it's not a human, right? But yeah, and Russ, Nix, and Basil. Is it Basil or Basil? So part of me does know. Yeah. Oh, parties pretty based. Rewrite and Weewa, it's definitely possible. Like I'm still into Weewa. Like I never got over it. Basil. Wait, is that a long A? Boston Dynamics is Black Mirror. Boston Dynamics, yeah. And what's crazy is like, I still don't have a robot. Like, they should really take it up a notch, you know? But yeah, what was I gonna show you? Oh yeah, this is why I can like never finish my projects, right? Because like I'll do something like this. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but like I'll do something, and then I'll be like, this could be better, right? And then I'll get on a rabbit hole, right? For like, then I'll come back here, right? And this has happened to me for years. And I thought Rust would take it away because it was so hard, but then I learned Rust really well, and now I'm in the same position. So then I come back to my proc macro, and I'm like, oh yeah, sweet. So like the reason and then this is like the 4th iteration of this, right? Oh yeah, Shy Rye. UUIDV7. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, but like I'll make small projects, right? Where's is it? Are you Shy Ryan GitHub? Shy Ryan. Yeah, we got him though. We got him. UUIDV7. Yeah, I saw it on Twitter, and I didn't star it until just now. Sorry. But yeah, UUIDV7 for Elixir. It's good. Elixir is, I'm just not going to do it. I'm not going to do
Peter.
Elixir. More man.
What's happening?
But we need more man. Okay? We need more man in here. The coffee's hitting a little bit. But yeah, I'm not going to do Elixir because I like this, but I'm not going to do Elixir because it's just like Ruby. Like, there's no difference. You blocked Ryan on GitHub? Can we block? Can you block on GitHub? You can only follow, right? Wait, there's a block button? Let me see. There's no block button. Is there? I really want there to be a block button. Oh shoot, yeah, that's it. There's no block button. I got. I'm not doing Elixir on principle. Yeah, the thing about Elixir is like it's the runtime, right? Ismeti's using Rust for web dev. Yeah, and I should be using Dioxys, but like I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so like this is like the 3rd iteration of this thing. Before this turned into this, right? So like this, right? I'm doing this,
Peter.
right? I'm like,
happening?
okay. Well, first you're in main, right? And then I can actually show you another one of my projects. Hold on. What was the other one? I don't even remember. Let's just go in here. Let's just look at my like insane projects thing. What was I working on? I don't even remember. Shoot, I was working on something. Maybe it was oh yeah, it was You Lift Bro. That was like the first one I actually completed, right? And it was just essentially a glorified to-do list for working out. So yeah, like I'm doing all this like crying and just sadness. But yeah, look at all this code. Like to do just the silliest things. So I'm trying to like abstract, right? I'm like trying to do it, but it's not working. So yeah, I made this enum router, right? Which is the first thing I did, right? How did I route? Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a short one, by the way. So I did this enum router to abstract away Axum's routing, right? Like, and now I'm so far down the rabbit hole. Like, so it was this, right? This was the enum router. And then I was like, this one sucks. Let's make it better. And so I made this on top of the enum router. And then that one sucked. So then I was like, let's make it better instead. Let's do, what did I do? Where's my test? So I have a test. Yeah, so now this is like the final one, which I don't really have any more ideas because it mirrors Axum's thing pretty good. So that's fine. Let's see. Terminator bots or Black Mirror dog? Wait. Oh my gosh, people are chatting? Let me see. His Zid? I don't even know how to say that. Beam. Here for the small PB energy. We can talk about macros. Can you type? I'm not gonna time out pick. Short PB stream. Yeah, it's very short. Very, very to the point. You know what I mean? It's like a pencil. It's like a pencil's width, but also like to the point of the pencil. It's definitely, his ZD. Welcome. It's so tired of hearing that. This is going to be a short one. Yeah, it's true. No, but seriously, like, because it's, what is it, 8:25 for me? So, yeah. Can you talk about how you did the WASM worker intercepting HTTP request thing? Oh, yeah, we could talk about that. I totally forgot about that. But, yeah, I'm bringing that back, actually. That was, like, my whole thing with no girth. Yeah, no girth. Yeah, what was that? Do you remember which one that was? I don't actually remember. Let me see. What, jeez, let me see. Yeah. What did I do? Oh, it was, I think it was this. Oh, it was that, actually, right? It was do you even lift? That's what it was, right? Or maybe it was, I had something here. What did I have here? What is this? I have a front end, but it does nothing. I don't know why I have that. That's really weird. Oh, it was this. It was, do you even lift? Yeah, it was that one. Let me see. Oh, there is some WASM here. This is looking good. Okay, so yeah, it's really, this was like mad scientist stuff. Oh, ULIDs. Look, Shy Rai, I'm sorry. Okay, I use ULIDs, not UUID v7. Okay, but yeah, the gist of it is actually, it's open source. Let me see. But the gist of it is there's some plumbing you have to do with Rust. What am I doing? Let me see. What am I doing? Is it not open source? Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. There it is. So here's the source, right? If you care. He's in Atlanta potatoes. No, I'm not in Colorado. I'm in I'm in Idaho. Yeah, I'm a hoe. Yeah. Yo, you up there this summer? Hey, we should hang out. You want to hang out? But before August, though. Because I got something going on in August. Technically off-hated California. Yeah. No, it's true. No, MetaMe. There's only 3 states that people can move to from California, right? It's Tennessee, Idaho, and Texas. There's no other states in the union that you can move to as a California, especially from Southern California. Those are the only ones that exist. All the other ones, they're taken already. Texas isn't real. Yeah, Texas is fake. It'll be before a BB time. Oh, yeah. We can meet up for coffee or something. What the heck? Kansas is a lie. Yeah, you know what, though? Kansas City, honestly, it looks pretty nice. Like, I've never been to the Midwest or anything west or east of Colorado besides New York and, like, Pennsylvania, but, like, and DC for a field trip. But, like, other than that, Austin, Nashville, and Boise, yeah. Yeah, it's not even the state, right? But some people do move to Coeur d'Alene, and some people do, which is, like, North Idaho, which I don't. If you know the past of North Idaho, you definitely don't want to be there. Downtown Kansas City's kind of dead. So is downtown Boise. The rich Californians go to Montana. Yeah, that's true. I guess that's true. Like, if you've been to what is it, like Flathead Lake, or what was the lake called? It's outside of Glacier. Montana is like really expensive. It's crazy. Boise was the last like affordable like mountain-y town. Like, it's not even close to the mountains. I mean, it is kind of off Highway 21, but like Biosomes Ranch. Yeah, Flathead. What did I say? Yeah. What else is that expensive? Me? None of us can afford Priven. Do you know how many programming languages draining your energy? If you don't have the urge to buy a Lambo, you might need to stop coding. What in the world? Yeah. But yeah, it's just those 3 cities too, right? Or like the suburbs, actually, right? So Nashville is actually Franklin, Austin is like Cedar Park. Boise's like Meridian and Eagle, right? It's pretty funny. You said you weren't sure if it was Flathead? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I don't live in Nashville. Yeah. But you probably live... Oh, there's another one, too. There's like Franklin to the north or something. And there's like another suburb that's like cheaper to the south. Or maybe I have that backwards. But yeah. Yeah, it's so funny. Like, that's the California migration story. But anyway, Franklin, let's go. I actually live on the other side of the state, though. Oh, okay. The real hidden jewel is Brownsville. Brownsville, Texas. Where is this? Oh, wow. Whoa. That's like by, isn't this by SpaceX, right? Brownsville? That's cool. It's like right on the coast, right? That's insane. Really close to Mexico. Oh, Galveston. I was thinking about Galveston. I don't know why I thought that. But yeah, which one's close to? But I feel like that is close though, right? Where were they doing the launches? It's like really Boca Chica. Yeah, that's what it is, right? Don't tell the Californians. I actually live on the other side of the state. Yeah, sorry. Well, you know, as a former Californian, we know now. So I'm sorry, Scotty. We all know. Okay. But that's because I wasn't a COVID immigrant. Yeah, neither was I though. Like I moved in 2018. I moved in 2018. Okay, that's 2 full years before COVID. I was possibly going to have to move to Irving a few years ago. Oh, Irving. Yeah. I love Texas because it's so cheap. But don't move to Texas if you love nature because at least West Texas or like mid Texas, I guess. Yeah, it's where SpaceX. Yeah. Still a dirty Californian. You can leave California, but the dirt, it always stays on you. You know, like the needles, they get stuck to you. And even though you pull them out, like it still doesn't. You can't shake it. You know. Yeah, it's true. No, I'm not in Texas. Who's in Texas? When he said Irving, I was thinking of Irvine. Oh, dude, no, that's Irving, Texas, not Irvine, California. It's not Tustin. Irvine was also in Austin. Yeah. Honestly, I still love okay, I love and hate California. Like, I mean, like it's there. You gotta admit, Nightshade, there. It's really nice. Like parts of it are super nice, but then parts of it are like super not nice. I don't know. I mean, would I move back? I don't know. I mean, I want to move to like the Bay Area, but not the current Bay Area. Like I wish I could separate what it is from like the location, I guess, or like the culture from a location. That's like what I want to separate how the people are from like the climate and like how beautiful it is and like all that stuff. Yeah. There's a massive. Jeez. Tell us how you really feel. Yeah. Oh, Georgetown. That's another one. Cedar Park, Georgetown. What's the other one? And then if you have some money, you go to what's that? What's the hilly area? What's that called? Shoot, I can't remember. Yeah, Round Rock too. Yeah, that's another one. That's another one. So good, so good. Georgetown's pretty nice though. Like I like that little old town area. It's pretty nice. Anyway, so yeah, here's the plumbing, right? So like, let's say you want to do some WASM stuff or whatever, or you want to intercept routes to the front end. It actually, I made this a lot harder than it should be. There's actually an easier way to do it. I'm gonna redo this, and it's gonna be way easier because you don't need all this. But basically, this WASM router that I made is not really necessary. It's just kind of a nice thing. But the gist of it is this, right? You have you have features, right? Front end and back end. And you're basically gonna intercept the request from the client, right? So if I go to static and I go to app, or I go to, you have a service worker, right? And so this service worker actually came from the genius, none other than Richard Anaya. The dude's like WASM. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let me share my freaking location. Like what? Where's his GitHub though? Oh my gosh. There we go. We got it. Yeah, so this if you're curious about how easy WebAssembly could be with Rust and like not WASM bindgen, this is the one. Cargo Add Web. Try this Hello World. It is like the easiest thing ever. You basically just use this thing that he made, and then you load your Rust, and that's it. Like you just do this, and like this is it. This is Rust WebAssembly. It's WASM bindgen is the one that everyone thinks of, and like this is what like Dioxys uses and all that stuff. But it could be way easier. So anyway, I took his JS WASM, right? Or his service worker that he had, right? Which this was actually his project that I sort of ran with. It was this right here. This is probably an easier way to see. Let me see. Yeah, right here. Right? So it doesn't, you should star this because it doesn't get enough stars. But yeah, like the big idea is that if I go here, right? So this service worker I took from him, but I changed it a little bit. But the big idea is that you have a service worker that starts and that does all the intercepting. And the thing about it is this is actually better, right? Because the amount of JavaScript is fairly static, right? It's kind of like if you took like hypermedia doesn't necessarily always have to route to the server, right? I stole small PB from another man. It doesn't always have to route to the server, right? You could do this with service workers now and route. You can use the browser as an edge server, right? So right here. So you have this like event, just you hook into every fetch event, right? Right here. And then what happens is I just look for a thing that starts with /frontend. And then in main, right? I've got my routes here, right? So I've got my WASM router, which is really like a nicer way to do like statically typed routes. And then, so I have these two events, right? Which are both posts. And then, if I go here, this is the actual Rust code and I store all the state in a mutex, right? Man, I forgot about this. This is so good. And basically what I do is I just stick the whatever. So I have looks like a calculator thing, and you're just like pushing things, right? Front end cringe. Yeah. So, and then that's it. This is the Rust code that runs. But yeah, the service worker that's the thing. Like the idea is that, the only idea is that you use service workers for good and not bad. Right. And so like you just intercept all fetch requests and use the browser as an edge, thing, which I think is the point of service workers. Like, I don't think this is like a hack or anything. I think this is what it was supposed to do. But yeah, server on the client, essentially, right? Which is really cool. Like, I love the idea of this, right? Because now you can have the same hypermedia controls. So, like, if I go to, like, where's my route? If I go to, like, route push. So, like, this is front-end rendering, right? But then it looks like HTMX, right? Because it is HTMX, right? So like this can be rendered. This renders on the server and the client, right? Because like there's no feature flag here. So at first this renders a form, and then it'll update, right? Actually, this doesn't update. This is just the form, but yeah. So like there's nothing else. Like there's just an HX post, but this route goes through the service worker to the front end. And then the swap happens on the front end, right? It's really cool, actually, now that I'm looking. I can make this way better, though. Like, now that I'm thinking about this, like, I can probably do this a little better. And I'm also looking at this HTML, and it's really hard to read. I like hyped a little better. But yeah, like I got problems. I got tooling problems. Hydration. Service workers were only built for evil. No, there's no hydration. So this just renders one time, right? And then the service worker intercepts everything, and the front end rust, right? So if I go to push, it's just more HTML, right? And then like display value, is just more HTML. That's it. Like, so it's still like doing HTMX stuff, right? And if I go to like input reps, right? Like I'm just doing an HX swap out of band, and that's it. Like there's nothing really, you know? And like here's the selector, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool. Service workers were built for evil, but we can use them for good. Okay, we can use them for good. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Shoot, is that what I said? Dang it. What else did I want to talk about? Oh, ad break, snooze. What else do I want to talk about, though? I don't even know. What else was there? Oh, jeez. Didn't I just do that, though? Dude, I hate Twitch. I hate Twitch so much. We should all get together and recreate Twitch, I swear. But yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff out there. Yeah, it's pretty good. But yeah, I was gonna talk about Dioxis, I guess. I don't know. Was I gonna talk about Dioxis? What did I put on the thing? What did I do? Did I get to everything? Robots, Llama 3, AI. Oh yeah, Fallout. Yeah, Fallout's, it's like half woke, which is kind of annoying. But it's still pretty good, because the only thing that Hollywood can produce now is like woke stuff. They can't actually like, they can't not do anything that's woke, because that's all it is now, you know? But, you know, you just kind of have to live with it, I guess, if you want to see something that has a lot of money put into it. Check and hate, but that WASM thing is tight. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I put the link there. Put a chick in it and make it lame. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much the strategy, right? Especially Marvel movies, right? Yeah, like it you can only, it seems like people would watch it more if there was like an attractive woman as the lead, but that's not the case, right? Black Keys Walker's back. Priven. Oh my gosh, I still don't understand, you know. But yeah. Oh, we should raid. We don't want to let Dylan's raid go to nothing. But yeah, I gotta get out of here though. Mostly because I'm like eating into work time. We playing some Fallout 76? No way. I don't play video games. I'm so bad at video games. We have a special bond. We're like brothers. Rust Brothers is true. Screw that stream longer. All right, I can go for like 10 more minutes. But yeah, what else do I want to talk about? Oh yeah, AI being overhyped, right? The only person to talk about this. Wait, can we talk about Warren in the buff? Can we talk about this? Can we talk about Warren for a second? First of all, I didn't believe that he was a real person for the longest time. And second, he almost has 6,000 followers. Like, what is this number though? Like, what is this though? Like, what is happening? I don't understand. Like he literally looks like any Mountain West person. Like, this is the average person between Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. Like, I know he's in South Dakota, but like, this is exactly what you would expect when you come here. You're like, that's what I'm gonna see. But anyway, yeah, like he's the only one talking about this. I don't even know where he said something about like AI being over. Oh my gosh, so much React Miami. Oh, we should talk about this too. This is actually pretty sick. Like this terminal shop is actually pretty freaking cool. Like, I was like, what? This is sick. Like, man, I mean, like, should I do TUIs? Like, I've been avoiding TUIs, but like, my goodness, like, Boston Dynamics made him. He's Prime's alt account. 6K from pure memes, but it's not even memes though. The dude, like, he just 100% like, I mean, I guess this is a meme. Like, Trash Dev, okay, can we talk about Trash Dev for a second? His whole thing is like, let's repeat the same thing over and over again. And then it somehow catches on, and I'm like, what? Like, this, like, it's pretty funny. The first time, the cigarette smoking Sasquatch is pretty funny, right? It's like a play on who's that dude? What's that dude's name? I don't even know. What's that meme? With like tired Ben Affleck meme. It's like that. It's like a play on this, right? Like, that's the thing, right? But I don't know. I don't understand this wipe jack either. What did he say? Where was the AI overhype? Oh my gosh, I have to go through all this. Warren, too much tweeting. Oh my gosh. Doesn't he have a baby? My goodness. Oh, here we go. Right here. Okay, look at this. Newbies, this is like the first glimpse of like someone saying something about AI and being overhyped on Twitter. Like, AI can do no wrong on Twitter. But here it is. If you're an AI and the tone starts changing, don't get discouraged. Same thing happened in 2018, 2019. Tech constantly rotates through hype cycles, and from what I've seen, the real winners stay heads down with a solid PMF, which is like, this is from LinkedIn, product market fit. Ignoring the highs and lows, only real losers are the chasers. Yeah. I guess, not really though. I would actually invert this and say, if you look at the winners on YouTube or TikTok or whatever, they are the chasers, right? Like, anyone who got on the Marquez Brownlee thing was kind of winning with engagement, which makes me feel gross. Like, oh, what's up? Stee-Wunny? What is this music? Imagine using bubble tea and non-biting bash. Oof. So much meme is too powerful. My tweets get no reach. Scotty does know. What kind of stuff are you tweeting though? Right? Is it like current event stuff? Because I feel like people go on social media for discovery. I do. He gave an honest review of that garbage product. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. People just got butthurt. Yeah, they did. Yeah, I know. But I'm saying, like, anyone who jumped on that, like, received eyes. Like, eyes were on their stuff, right? And so, like, I don't know about what Warren's saying here, right? The chasers. I think it's actually the chasers, at least in social, that come out on top, right? But of course, the people who are actually on top are probably like, I don't know, like the taste makers. I don't know what you want to call them, right? Like influencers or whatever. Like, they're like one step ahead. Like, they see a glimpse of where everything's going to go in like an hour, and they'll tweet it. And then like everyone else jumps on, and like, yeah, that's what mainly tech memes. But I have tweeted about AI hype being silly. Oh, see, you're too early though, right? Even this one for Warren, it's not good, right? Cause like usually even a selfie about whatever got 94, right? But this one only got 61. See, we're too early to the AI, because like we have to wait for GPT-5, I think, and then we could do it. Warren's just some dude I played Fortnite with, and now he's everywhere. I know, seriously, like, it's crazy. Winners will be these AI CEOs? Yeah. Oh, that's true. That is true. But I think about I mean, if you look at the last generation of like social too, like Reddit and all that stuff, like user-generated content, that's kind of how it was, right? Like, how many Reddit CEOs are we in now? Like 4 or something? And like everyone on Reddit is mad, but it's like they basically were doing unpaid labor. Like, looking back at Reddit, if you're not doing memes or whatever, and you were like doing serious posts, like reviewing things and like doing things useful until hallucinations. Yeah, it's the next crypto scam with slightly more utility. The thing is, like, it's good. Like, I think the chat interface to LLMs is where we went wrong. I think the embeddings and the weights and the vector search is really cool. It's like a new SQL, but I think we need something more like SQL. I talked about this last time. We need something more like SQL and not like prompting, right? So like I talked about DSPY, but like this is like what we should be doing, right? Like this is programming models is what we should be doing, right? It uses prompts, but it says it's for algorithmically optimizing language prompts and weights, right? That's exactly right. That's what we should be doing, right? With context and all this stuff. Like we need to come up with the best like prompt for what we're doing, right? And if that means that it's like a few examples, like almost like fine tuning, but not, that's fine. But yeah, non-deterministic SQL. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like it's like a super powered recommendation engine for everything, right? Like recommendation engines in the 2010s were like king, right? Like Facebook's newsfeed, TikTok, right? All that stuff. And I think like you don't want that to be deterministic. That's the whole point, right? Oh my gosh. Twitch. I wanted to post this, but they said no. Oh my gosh, I'm going to click this link. Oh, yeah. I saw that. I didn't like it. I'm sorry. But I did see this though. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah, I mean Linux doesn't have any guardrails, you know? I think code generation can be convenient. Oh, yeah, not code generation. I think we're just trying a bunch of stuff and it's like spaghetti at a wall, right? And we're trying to see what sticks. But yeah, code generation, that's not the way. Like, there's no way. Like, if anything, what we should do is give it more context and have it review our code, right? And maybe give us helpful suggestions. Like, you read my code, and then I'll tell you if it's good, right? Like, I'm going to write the code, and you be a code review. Like, managers probably don't, like, not managers, but, like, tech leads probably should be replaced before programmers, I guess. Like, but yeah, I agree with you, Scotty does know. Like, it's true. Like, SEO with AI, yeah, that also is interesting. But it's, you know, it's very spammy. I don't know. It's whatever. That's just the world, though, right? Wait, what? Is that the same thing? Oh, I'm clicking your links. So now I have to click all the... What is this one? Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, no. Oh, poor... Oh, jeez. I didn't even know this was... Dang it, Pervin. Dang it. Oh, my gosh. All right, well, I'll retweet it. I don't even know what it says. I just retweeted. All right, but I do have to get out of here though. It's almost 9 a.m. I have to get to work. You know what I have to do at work? I gotta do OpenAI annotations. I gotta do like some charting stuff. All right. I love the trust in me. Priven, we're Rust Brothers, I thought, right? All right, who should I read? Who else would you guys watch, right? Rust for Live? Heck yeah. Who else would you guys watch, right? Oh my gosh, Nightshade, that's terrible. Who's on? Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, I thought it was Marvel Snap. Dang, Pirate Software. What in the world? 13K? Shoot. Dude, software and game dev, 13K? What in the world? Look. What? Wait. 13K? Is that right? That is right. Shoot. What is he doing in there? Giving out money? Like, what is this? He cracked the code? Shoot. That's an average day? Dude, I didn't know that 13,000 viewers existed on Twitch. Look at, like, are you serious? Do you see the record he made 2 times? No. Oh, record. Toggle. Yeah, let's do toggle. I'm always confused between toggle and do you guys do this where you like get confused between people? Like is toggle bit is not, wait, that's not right? Wait, toggle bit is he's not that Australian guy, right? That's somebody else, right? That's like Tim, I think. Even within Rust, I still get super confused. All right, let's count out this dumb music.
I know. You
We'll
can't
sit
take your
through
eyes
this
off
ad,
the
I
Sonic garlic
guess.
butter bacon cheeseburger.
Right.
Don't worry.
Stupid. Long Lemon Man? What are these? Wait, oh, this is the banana level 106 hype train? Shoot. Wait, it goes past 100? Well, does it keep going? Is there a limit? Toggle don't have Twitter? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's still going. Unknown. It's uncapped now. They changed it just for Milky came in and changed it just for Pirate Software. That's crazy. I can't believe. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So this is not. So that's Tim. Tim is the New Zealand or Australian person. This person is a different Rust person. There we go. Okay, let's see what he's doing.
Every time we do an expect frame, right, or render a search. So let's do an import for this thing as well, right? And let's have a public function render a search.
Boring focus stream. I don't think it's boring.
Render a search.
This is cool.
Oh my God.
He's doing like
this
2D
is why
stuff.
I don't use autocomplete.
This is sweet. All right.
Because I'm incapable.
All right, I gotta go. I gotta write Rails.
This
I gotta make
thing's
money.
gonna have an
Swedish,
stir.
Australian, same thing.
And
you know?
for the assert
To me, to an
codes
American,
or
same
expected
thing.
code, rather we're gonna do
all
this
right, what am I
thing,
doing?
and we're gonna do the
What
same
am I
thing
doing?
for
Raid.
the actual.
Literal
We
Viking.
just need to get hold of the actual code first, right?
Drink meat out of. Oh shoot!
Now
There's
for
an
this
ad break and
thing,
I'm leaving. I'll wait 20
we end
seconds.
up with
We'll
the
wait 20 seconds.
renderer
I don't even know. Honestly, like I didn't even know there's an ad
doing
break.
the
That's how
rendering.
bad I am. We'll wait.
Bollocks.
Oh, let's see if the
Okay, we need
timer.
the factory
If we have 10 seconds, if it beats it.
the runner.
Oh shoot! Let's see. We'll wait till the timer goes out. Okay, 5 seconds, 4 seconds. I didn't even
maybe.
know. I didn't even know there was an ad break. Oh my gosh! Like, could you
Yeah,
imagine?
I think we put the
You're watching an
factory
ad,
here.
you come back. This dumb streamer,
Factory, not factory.
this dumb American streamer in the mornings
Right,
is like,
and
"Hey,
then
I'm
we
rating.
can
Sorry, a
create
lot happened in
the
that ad break."
instance of self
All right.
before we do
We're
that.
rating Togglebit. I'm sorry, I didn't realize there was an ad. If anyone was watching the ad,
This one is fine. As a matter of
Sorry,
fact,
alright.
this one can go straight
Okay,
here.
see
We
ya.
don't need an instance of that. Although it should not have a factory anymore. We're
Did I
gonna
do it?
make a new factory here.